This is yesterday's protest in Jeffreys Bay, and you think Ramaphosa will be able to stop all this? I don't think so. Kubi. IJeffreys Bay, izolo bekunje. Emalahleni, 2 days ago, it was worse than this. Witbank, beku worse than this. eThokoza, eSprings, eBenoni, eSoweto, KwaZulu-Natal, Durban, eMpangeni, all over the country. Kunje, kwezinye indawo is worse than this. Then ke wena ungangitshela ukuthi uRamaphosa will be able to stop all this. He must just do the right thing, must deport these people, create jobs for South Africans, secure borders. Because if they are busy telling us about deporting immigrants, abantu abahamba ekuseni, same afternoon they are here, the following morning they are back at work as cheap labor. So there's no need for uRamaphosa ukuthi lokho esitshela iy'namba ey'nkulu ukuthi we deported 250,000 last month. We deported. Where are those people right now? Because they are here in South Africa, busy working, taking jobs away from South Africans. So there's no need for them to be like making a lot of noise about deporting illegal immigrants. Look at what is happening in this country. No one will be able to control this situation except to do the right thing. That's the only way to stop all this. Ama-hostel are out. We've been crying, complaining. Where are the guys from Ama-hostel? Baphumile-ke manje, they came out in numbers thanks to all ama-pet shops, thanks to Zandile Dabula, thanks because you guys, you started this. About Victoria Africa ehamba yedwa. She was alone with Victoria, removing Pakistan, Ethiopians, tuck shops. Look at what is going on. Look at what is happening in South Africa. You think this government will be able to stop this? They are trying the tribalism thing, but they are failing. And these marches are peaceful. That is why they are busy now spreading this narrative, this propaganda to say, hey, they are unaliving people. Foreign nationals are free South Africa. Give us the names of those foreigners who were being unalived in South Africa. We want to know. Even their families must come out and speak out to say, so and so was unalived. We are taking his remains back home. When are they coming to take the remains of their people? Why are their ambassadors quiet, not saying anything about those people who were unalived? Gobi guys, gobi. And as ningavumi, don't allow them to divide you. Don't allow them to divide us as South African tribes. Because they are trying that way. They are trying a new strategy. Ukuthi divide bethi hayi nilwa nodwa yinina uNhlamulo was unalived by amaXhosa because he couldn't speak isiXhosa as a Tsonga. Don't allow them. And njengamanje asingahlehlele emuva, siya phambili, asijiki. Futhi angaze ngibone mina into enje South Africa. Is my first time to see this. Ever since sikhala sithi ama-illegal immigrants must go back to their countries, akaze ngize ngibone into enje. And now ama-foreign ayabona manje ukuthi akusadlali. Remember ukuthi ngalezi ikhathi vele basuke sebesitshela ku-TikTok ukuthi we are not going anywhere. Bring it on. Right now they are packing their bags, they are going back to their countries. The only problem I'm having ileyo ukuthi these three abayinkinga kakhulu kuthina la eSouth Africa, Zimbabweans, Nigerians, Ethiopians, Somalians. Nje labo-ke vele-ke it's one group, ama-Somalians and Ethiopians. That is why ngithi three, Zimbabweans, Nigerians and tuck shop owners, illegal tuck shop owners. Those three yibo labo bantu esingabafuni ukuthi bahambe vele eSouth Africa. Kodwa bona ungathi vele abanyakazi. Even government babo uzibona ukuthi bayi-problem even where they are coming from, because all government babo are quiet. Other governments from Africa are sending buses, flights for their people to come back home. But them, no. At least Nigeria is sending flights for Nigerians to come back to Nigeria, but they are refusing, they don't want to go. But they are the ones making a lot of noise to say they are being unalived in this country. South Africans are xenophobic, this country is having the virus. Why are they still here? Why are they married to South Africans? Why are they having children with South Africans? Because this country is having a disease. Why are they here? Why are they still here in a lawless country, in a country that is having crime? The crime is so high in this country, and they are having children here. They are not afraid iy'ngane zabo will go through the most in this country. They will grow up in a chaotic country, to show ukuthi everything they are saying it's a lie. Iyakhombisa leyo nto ukuthi they are lying.
Bafana bakithi, bafana bakithi, bafana bakithi, Intelesi, it's about to Krelling. Intelesi, about to Krelling. About to Krelling. Intelesi is running. Intelesi is running. Mama! Intelesi is running. Intelesi is running. Intelesi is running.
Intelezi impeso kaMalema is telling right now. Usho uKing Zoso uthi Intelezi is telling right now. Intelezi is about to be telling. Hey, Kobi guys, Kobi. Abaphume abantu bayolwa. Akungakhulunywa nje emva kwamafoni, asiphume siyolwela izwe.
Konakale kakhulu bafana bakithi, konakale kakhulu eGoli. Konakale kakhulu eGoli bafana bakithi. Igoli likhombisa amandla, igoli likhombisa amandla, igoli. Abantu baseGoli bakhombisa amandla. Abantu baseGoli bakhombisa amandla. Bathi balesabi igazi, we don't scare of blood. People of Johannesburg, they're showing. People of Johannesburg. People of Johannesburg, they are showing. Hey, ngiyashutha lana uboni. Hayi bafethu. Yebo.
Uyasho uKing Zoso uthi people are tired. This is something else. Ababoni ukuthi this is something else. Akuseyona le nto le ukuthi ugovernment izokwazi ukuyicontrola. Angikaze ngiyibone into enjena. Selokhu lento I think uma ubuka kuma-videos 1976 and before, izinto ey'fana nalezi zagcina ngaleso sikhathi, even those ngeke y'fane ngoba la akuchitheki igazi. Phela nje bayabatshela bayabakhumbuza ukuthi we are not scared of ukubona igazi. Ileyo nto nje abayishoyo ukuthi asilesabi, uma ngabe kuwukuthi niredi ukuthi nisibulale sibulaleni, uma kufanele nisibophe sibopheni, but we are not afraid and we are going back. We are not going back. Buka amaphoyisa akhathele, abantu abajimile aba-trained for lezi zinto bakhathele, ama-patrols, amasha every day awakhathele. Our police are tired. Bese kuthiwa khona into abazoyenza-ke labo bantu. Hayi guys, kubi siyabonga King Zoso, siyabonga ukuthi usiphakele insizwa noma ngabe besingakwazanga ukuthi sibe khona lapho, but siyabonga nje kakhulu ukuthi nibe amehlo ethu, nibe yikho konke kwethu la nikhona guys, and niphephe nibe yikho konke. Siyazi ukuthi niyalwa lapho, nathi asihleli noma singeke sikwazi ukuba everywhere ngaso sonke isikhathi, but nje sikhona, sinani lapho. Uyasho uphakela umthakathi uthi angimfuni umuntu ethi sinani lapho ngenhliziyo, ufuna umuntu oba lapho physical. But-ke abanye bethu-ke vele physical we are always there, just ukuthi ngeke sikwazi ukuba kuyo yonke indawo lapho okuliwa khona. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Another one is coming after this one. Love you, bye.